नमस्ते, मैं रणबीर चमोटा ग्रेड 8 में पढ़ता हूँ और मैं नासिक महाराष्ट्र में रहता हूँ. टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन माई विजन बोर्ड. Here's the personality I have: kind, caring and helpful. The personality I want to develop: tall and strong body. So when I grow up, the dream house I want, my dream car and my favorite smartphone. The places I want to visit are Ram Mandir and Dubai. So there are some goals here. So I want to be humble as Sachin Tendulkar, and I want a business tycoon like Sri Ratan Tata ji. And I believe in Hanuman ji because he always helps us. So I meditate for calm mind. Here are some motivational goals. Thank you.